Welcome inside one of the world's most exclusive handbag factories, where a single bag can cost more than a car.
Here, every masterpiece begins with the rarest, most carefully inspected leather hides on Earth. These materials aren't just expensive, they're treated like museum pieces before they ever become a bag.
Every tool is specialized. Every edge, blade, and needle has a purpose.
These tools, simple yet precise, shape the identity of every luxury handbag. In a world of fast fashion, true craftsmanship still matters.
It all begins here, with skilled artisans who transform raw materials into masterpieces.
The signature hand-stitched seam, impossible for machines to replicate. Before the cutting begins, expert pattern makers draw the blueprint that defines the bag's perfect shape. One wrong cut can ruin a piece worth thousands. Precision is non-negotiable. Each bag contains dozens of individually crafted pieces before assembly ever begins. Hand stitching is the hallmark of luxury, slow, steady, and built to last for generations.
This ancient stitch is stronger than machines can replicate, one stitch at a time. Piece by piece, the bag takes shape, forming the iconic silhouette collectors obsess over.
Every crease is heat-pressed by hand, creating the sharp lines that define a luxury bag's character.
To make the bag last decades, artisans reinforce every panel with specialized internal layers. Each stitch begins with perfectly spaced holes, punched one tap at a time. Before hardware goes in, every slot must be carved with surgeon-level accuracy.
Only custom-made hardware is used, polished, platted, and often worth more than fine jewelry.
Before hardware goes in, every slot must be carved with surgeon-level accuracy.
Luxury bags use hardware designed to lock into the leather with a perfect press fit.
The inside of a luxury bag is its hidden world, stitched with the same precision as the outside.
Every lining is tailor-made, ensuring a flawless fit and luxurious feel.
The lining is placed inside by hand, every corner pressed until it's smooth like silk.
This is the moment the bag truly comes to life. The outer shell forms its signature silhouette.
Even the handles are engineered for decades of use, both strong and beautifully crafted. Every stitch is placed with intention, perfect tension, perfect spacing.
Attaching the handles is a defining moment. Function meets pure luxury design.
Luxury bags are sealed with multiple layers of edge paint, each one brushed by hand.
Heat sealing locks in the finish, creating a flawless, glass-smooth edge.
Premium zippers glide smoothly for a lifetime, and installing them requires perfect alignment. The top frame gives the bag its strength and its iconic opening shape.
With the sides attached, the bag begins to look whole, its luxury form emerging.
The base carries the weight, so it's reinforced, padded, and built to last. Before the final assemble, the entire bag is gently shaped, giving it its iconic profile. These metal studs protect the leather bottom, another quiet mark of luxury.
Inside, every pocket is hand-assembled for perfect alignment and durability.
The outer shell and inner lining come together, precision that makes luxury feel effortless.
The straps must hold for life, so each attachment point is reinforced by hand.
A final seam runs around the upper edge, tight, smooth, and unmistakably premium.
Every piece of hardware is polished by hand. Nothing leaves the workshop without shine.
Edge paint is refined layer after layer, giving the bag its flawless finish.
Each strap undergoes stress testing, ensuring it stays strong for decades.
The final buff reveals the leather's true beauty, a soft, natural, luxury shine.
Every stitch is inspected under magnification. Luxury has no room for uneven lines.
Only flawless surfaces make the cut. Any imperfection means the piece is redone.
Even the balance is tested. The weight must feel natural when carried.
A luxury zipper must glide like butter, smooth, silent, effortless.
Every clasp, ring, and buckle is stress tested to guarantee lifelong durability.
The interior is clean to perfection. No dust, no fibers, nothing out of place.
Conditioning enhances the leather's natural glow, bringing each bag to life.
The final mark is the logo, pressed with heat, precision, and absolute confidence.
The bag is examined from every angle. Its shape must be flawless. Before it ever leaves the atelier, every detail is protected for the journey ahead.
Each handbag is paired with a custom dust bag, designed to protect its beauty for decades.
The bag is placed inside by hand, every movement slow and deliberate.
Authenticity cards and serial numbers confirm that every piece is traceable and genuine.
These documents are tucked inside, waiting for the client who will treasure the bag. Tissue wrapping adds a final layer of protection, silky soft yet essential.
Rigid boxes are handmade too, crafted to match the prestige of the bag inside.
The final placement is done with total care, almost like placing a jewel in its case.
The box closes with a soft, confident glide. No force, no noise, just perfection.
Finally, a ribbon or seal completes the presentation, an iconic symbol of craftsmanship.
From this quiet atelier, these masterpieces travel to boutiques around the world. Once the bags leave the atelier, they're transported to the brand's global logistics center.
Every box is scanned instantly, entering a tracking system used across worldwide boutiques. Automated conveyors sort each package with flawless precision. Before shipping, workers add extra protection to ensure flawless delivery.
Each shipment is sealed and verified with advanced anti-tamper systems.
Robotic wrapping machines prepare pallets for safe, long-distance travel.
Pallets are moved into climate-controlled trucks built just for luxury goods.
From here, shipments fly to boutiques across the world: New York, Paris, Dubai, Tokyo.
Boutiques receive every shipment with care, each box handled like something precious.
The bags wait here, stored in perfect conditions, until a client selects their masterpiece.
Every bag is intentionally placed to create a visual story the moment a customer walks in.
Before display, each bag is polished by hand to ensure flawless presentation.
Lighting is everything. Spotlights are tuned to highlight the bag's textures and curves. As the boutique opens, every detail is ready for the clients who expect perfection.
Discretion is part of luxury. Clients are welcomed with privacy and personal attention.
Associates guide customers through styles, colors, and craftsmanship details.
Customers explore the craftsmanship, stitching, lining, and hardware that define true luxury.
They try it on, feel the weight, and imagine it becoming part of their wardrobe.
When they decide, the purchase experience is seamless and personal.
The bag is freshly wrapped again, sealing the moment with the iconic ribbon.
The final handoff is done with grace, because for many clients, this moment is unforgettable.
They leave with more than just a handbag. It's a piece of craftsmanship they'll keep for life. At home, the unboxing feels like opening a treasure. Layered, elegant, intentional.
The reveal captures the magic. Pure craftsmanship, untouched and perfect.
They explore the textures and details, appreciating the work of countless artisans.
The bag becomes part of their style, an instant upgrade to any outfit.
On the streets, the bag turns into a statement, subtle, powerful, unmistakable.
With time, the leather develops character, a patina unique to its owner.
Luxury bags come with simple care techniques to ensure they last for generations.
In time, the bag becomes more than an accessory. It becomes part of your life story.
Across the world, these bags represent status, taste, and craftsmanship. They become part of a culture, collected, cherished, admired.
The result is a piece of art, functional, beautiful, timeless.